Hi, I'm Vance, and welcome to Repair and Replace. The water filter base holds the filter and connects it to the supply lines. If the base is cracked or if the tabs are broken, then water might leak from around the filter. If you replace the filter and it's still leaking, then it's best to install a new base. In this episode, I'll show you how. To begin, you might need a screwdriver or nut driver and pliers. You might also need a plastic container and a cloth. Keep in mind there is some variation between models, and not all refrigerators will have the same parts. You can enter your model number on the AMRE Supply website to see a parts breakdown. This can be helpful to show you which parts are in your refrigerator and where they are located. First, slide the refrigerator out from the wall. When there is enough room, unplug the cord to disconnect the power. Close the shutoff valve to turn off the water supply. In this case, you can work on the refrigerator in place with it still against the wall. The water filter is often near the top of the fridge. As well, it might be located behind the kick plate. In many cases, the filter is hidden behind a cover. Simply press the tab to open the cover. Some water filters will be removed by twisting counterclockwise. With other models, you'll have to push the filter in for it to pop out. In some cases, you'll have to press a button that will release the filter. If needed, remove the cover. Next, remove the mounting screws. It can be helpful to take a picture of the supply lines. These are sometimes color-coded. Now, disconnect the lines by pushing down on the tabs. If needed, you can use pliers to help remove the lines. Now, remove the filter assembly. In some models, you'll have to separate the assembly to replace the filter base. Remove the screws. Now slide out the filter base. Align the new filter base into the housing. Next, tighten the screws. Reconnect the water lines to the appropriate connection. These should just push into place. Align the assembly onto the mount. Now tighten the screws. If needed, replace the cover. Now align the filter in the housing and push it into place. In some models, you'll have to turn the filter clockwise until it locks. If needed, close the cover. Open the shutoff valve. Plug in the cord to reconnect the power. Now slide it back into place. Make sure to leave a couple of inches of space between the refrigerator and the wall. This will allow for proper airflow. Now test the refrigerator to see if it's working properly. If you like this and want to see more tutorials and informational videos, then subscribe to our channel. And if you need help, you can call or visit an AMRE location to talk with our knowledgeable staff. Thanks for watching.